Alexander Fleming for the initial discovery of penicillin, Dr. E.B. Chain, and Sir Howard Florey for their finding its curative power to benefit millions. In one of the glass dishes where he cultured germs for his experiments, Fleming noticed one day in 1928 that some mold, such as appears on decaying food, had begun to grow. A spoiled experiment. But with mind alerted by the earlier work on protective substances, he looked closer. He saw that near to the mold, no germs were growing. Might it be that this mold, like the human body, produced a substance capable of destroying germs? He made tests and found that even some of the most dangerous germs died near to the mold. He then grew the mold in a meat broth liquid. The color of the liquid changed finally to a bright yellow. This liquid proved lethal to germs, even when greatly diluted. Not pure enough to be injected into a human body, it was nevertheless effective on wounds. Fleming published what he had done, calling his substance penicillin. Attempts to purify it and to extract its essence failed. In the 1930s, a new chapter opened at the University of Oxford. The professor of pathology, Dr. Howard Florey, was joined by Dr. E.B. Chain. Together, Chain and his colleagues set to work on the chemical problems of extraction and purification. But by now, World War II was raging. The need for penicillin's healing power was enormous for soldiers and for civilians. But in 1941, purified penicillin was still desperately short, and Britain was hard-pressed by air attacks. To make the quantities needed, it was decided to seek help in the United States. Here, scientists devised better ways of culturing penicillin, which could give much bigger yields. The great discovery, for which in 1945 the world rightly and gratefully honored Dr. E.B. Chain, Sir Howard Florey, and Sir Alexander Fleming.